Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into University of Bristol student account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your University of Bristol student account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address bristol.ac.uk and hit enter, and then will be directed to the home page of University of Bristol, where on this interface, which is the home page guys, at the top of the screen you can see there is the current students option available for us. In order to log into your University of Bristol student account, click on that current students, and over here scroll down a little bit and you can see the email login where it says the login to your University of Bristol email account. Click on it and you'll be required to enter your username or your account username of your Bristol account. After you have entered your Bristol username, which you were provided from the university, click on the next, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of your account. And with that being done guys, you'll be signed into your University of Bristol student account from over here. And guys, this is how to log into your University of Bristol student account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.